Piping royal icing flowers is easier than you think.
Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together.
To make beautiful royal icing flowers, all you need are a couple of supplies. First, you're going to need a petal tip, and I pinched the end of mine with some pliers so it's flat all the way across. Then you're going to need some really stiff royal icing, a flower nail, and some pre-cut parchment squares. And you want to start out by just attaching that parchment square to your flower nail with a little bit of royal icing. And then holding your piping bag at about a 45-degree angle, you're just going to make little upside down U's with your piping bag. And if you jiggle your piping bag as you're going up and down, it will make for a more ruffled flower petal. So this icing is stiff, so you're going to want to squeeze your piping bag with some pretty good pressure, go up and then come back down and stop squeezing and finish off your petal. And your flower can be finished right there, just add a center, but I'm going to add another layer of petals right on top. So my piping bag is a little bit more up and down, and I'm just going to do the same thing, squeeze up and then kind of squeeze back down to make a little U. And look, I made a mistake, and I'm just going to fix it with a slightly dampened paintbrush where I've wiped off all of the excess water on a paper towel. And I'll just play with this until I get it looking kind of the way I want, and then I can go ahead and add the center. My yellow icing is also a stiff consistency, and I'm just going to make some little yellow dots here in the center of this flower. And to make these flowers, it just kind of takes a little bit of practice making those U's, and then I'm going to go around the outside edge with some little orange dots just to give it some more dimension and color. And I'm making these flowers for a Love at First Spritz bridal shower design. And you can make these ahead of time and store them. It's a great way to use any leftover icing. They keep just about forever in an airtight container. So once you finish, go ahead and peel it off the parchment sheet and set it aside to dry, and let's make another one. So touch down, make little upside down U's with your piping bag while you slowly spin the flower nail. You can make your petals as big or as small as you'd like. And the more you tilt your piping bag up will determine whether or not you have that ruffled end at the edge of your petals. Just go ahead and make a second layer, and once you get to the end, we'll grab our yellow icing and add in our center. And don't forget, you can grab your paintbrush and make any adjustments you need to make. Here I'm pushing the center down a little bit so it doesn't stand quite as tall because I let a lot of icing build up in that center as I was making my petals. And I'm just going to fill that center in with my little yellow spiky dots, and then I'll grab my orange icing and make some dots going around the outer edge. Peel off your parchment paper and set this aside to dry, and then you have beautiful sugar flowers ready for your next royal icing cookie creation. They store really well in an airtight container, and you can pick your favorite ones to attach to your cookies. Just add a little royal icing to the back and stick it right down. As always, thank you so much for watching. Drop me a note in the comments and let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one for more Love at First Spritz tutorials. Bye!